Hello guys, so welcome. So basically, I initially in my last class, on my last video, told you guys I'm going to show you guys how to host a website on dark web. So basically, we're going to use Onion Land hosting. So basically, Onion hosting is kind of not expensive. And with this hosting, you can host a website on dark web. Yeah. Okay, so basically, guys, so in the last tutorial or last class or last video, I told you guys I'm going to show you guys how to host a website on dark web. So lastly, I told you guys how to. I'm going to show you guys. So first of all, you need to know how to get and hosting. Yeah, basically. So that's what we're going to do in this class or video. So basically, first, what will I call it? Okay, let me give you this legit. Okay. Okay. Let me just call it review, then cPanel 8.2 PHP version, and click on create. So once you do that, you just click on create. First of all, remember you need to create an account with Onion Land hosting first. Creating an account is very easy. It's more like eating a pizza. So what you just need to do is for you to just go to the browser Onion Land, then click on sign in with Google. Basically, once sign in with Google, you're here. And next for you to just click on create an Onion service. When you create all this, it's going to take you. Sorry. Please bear in mind, whenever you're in dark web, things don't move as fast as surface web because of it's kind of moved layer, two layers. Yeah, basically, that's just it. So we need just hold on a bit for it to completely create a hosting for you. Most especially, this hosting is a cPanel hosting. I also, I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload file here. I'm just going to show you guys how to set up this hosting completely from start to finish. Next tutorial, stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how to host a complete website. So we're going to be hosting a website on dark web next tutorial. So just stay tuned. Remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Yep. Done. See, your own service is deploying. You may try to refresh the page to see the latest status. So basically, you can see it's here in deploying. So this is my URL. Wow, it's easy peasy. It's kind of more easier than even hosting or creating the service on the surface web. Imagine just now I already have a domain, so that's the domain name. It's going to literally give you a domain name and the hosting. You don't need to get a domain name and say, I need the domain name now for me to create to link blah blah. Nah, you don't need the domain name. All you just need to come here and get this start off. So currently it's trying to deploy, so we're just going to wait a few seconds and we are on it. Also, if you recall very well, I told you guys about what's called me trying to get a spoofing tool that help you spoofing phone calls. Yeah, I did that. I got that. I started working. I'm going to show you guys also, so you guys see how it looks like. But not here, not now. Stay tuned. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay. So let's see. It's taking a while for it to load completely, so you just need to exercise patience and we So basically, you can see it changed from red to green. So simply means service is up and running. So let's try it out. Ta-da! So we'll go to hosting. We click. Remember, you cannot open this URL on any Surface browser like Chrome, Firefox, and so on and so forth. So you can only open this using top browser. So you can see we just open our first and created our first host. Ta-da! You can see our hosting is live, so you can copy and visit it. Anyway, so basically let's click here. Customer portal. So this is where we're going to see this, and we're going to go. Sorry about that. Sorry, you click these three dots here, and let's go back. Yep, click these three dots here. You can see dashboard, email, file manager, blah 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 blah. So you can just dashboard. You can go to dashboard and see what's there for us. So I'm just going to show you guys how to navigate that all. We have a file manager here. We have a PHP or admin database here, right? So we can just right click, open this in a different browser, open this in a different browser. So you can see 2 MySQL 8.0, disk usage 1 GB, that space, hosting plan premium. So this is more like a trial, and if we don't pay, check it out. So you can see current data status running, current PHP service web portal access active. So basically we already have this. Now you can see this, we have our PHP admin service, which is where we can access our PHP admin. So basically, if you upload your file, your general file, your file manager, I feel like in order for you to use this, first you need to know how to host a normal website on a normal hosting platform, which is Surface website. If you have the idea already, that would be more better. But if you don't have the idea, feel free. It doesn't really matter. All you just do, you upload your normal file in your file manager. Once you upload your normal file in your file manager, you come here. I'm talking about specifically for you just PHP script source code. So basically we have our port 3306 DB, root, password, blah, blah. So basically we have a PHP admin access. So when you get to this access, you're going to need authorization. Yeah, so you can see. So this is our file manager. Not now, this is a file manager link, but not now. Let me go back here first. So I want to show you guys something. So this is our PHP credential. At times you may need 2 different credentials. Let me see if this is the right one. So basically let's just click here and copy our password and paste it and see. So we put the password here, we see and sign in. Remember we used down one there, right? So that's okay, just hold on a bit for it to look complete, so we know if that is the exact one we are supposed to use when trying to access our PHP admin. Remember, your PHP admin, that's where you create your data, that's where you upload or create your database. Yeah, but when you're using a Surface web and using something like cPanel, currently a database from your from your cPanel, you click your cPanel, see your database, create there before going to PHP admin to upload it. But yeah, kind of different. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Ta-da! So let's continue. It's taking a while. So while it's taking a while, let me just open this, which is my file manager. Oh, okay. Oh, if you go very well, if you've done anything to do with Surface or cPanel, you notice that you don't actually need access like a password to get access to your file manager or your PHP admin, but this you need it. So you can see, tada, that's first access. So go back here. Remember, if you remember, okay, this we use this guy, right? So now we're going to use this guy. Our username is root, our password is this, database name is that, right? So password, tada, root. So I click on login. So I want to see if this is going to take us to our PHP admin. Let's see. Why this is also loading? Check out other folder. We check this. Is a file manager, right? So you can see basic auth dialog. I see web portal. So we just copy this. This is for this, right? Remember, this is for what did I just do? Tada! So this picture admin, you can see our database here already. So we're good to go. Nothing else. SSL is not being used. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Before you create a new database, just click here to show you where to create a database. Then you create a database, you're good to go. That's how you create database when it comes to the dark web for hosting your PHP file. So why this? For this, so basically for your shit. I don't know why it is telling me of this and start. Just dismiss this and refresh this. Let me see. That's for file manager. See, file manager credential. So basically, this is how you access your file manager. You use this to access the file manager. You use that to access your page. You just put your database here. Put anything you want to put. You can go to settings and change your password if you want to change your password. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. Remain blessed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Next video, let me show you guys how to host a website on dark web, be it an e-commerce website, just like those markets in the previous tutorial. You can actually host any website you like. So basically that's how it is. I think, remember, I said I'm going to show you guys how to verify information on the dark web. Yeah, I'm also going to do that. I've already told you guys how to navigate dark web using Tor link and the rest of Onion, Land, search engine, blah blah the rest. So I'm going to show you guys how to verify legit information. Stay tuned. Remember, let's do a like, share, subscribe to my channel.